All right, fun fact of the day. Eat your proteins and vegetables first, carbohydrates last. So this does a couple things. First, by letting your carbohydrates cool off, such as your potatoes and your rices, as they get to cooler temperatures, they become resistant starches. So this doesn't spike your blood glucose the same way. Second of all, by eating your proteins first, it's allowing your stomach to produce more acids, and the proteases, the enzymes that break down your proteins, need to have a low pH. So this allows them to be more active to get more of those proteins into your circulatory system. Once the proteins are there, they can become amino acids after they get chopped up. And then those amino acids start to turn on pathways like your mTOR pathway and your GLP-1 pathway. So now you get this hunger satiation effect. By the time you get to your carbohydrates, you're now starting to feel full. And then the vegetables are all that fiber is helping coat the inside of your intestines. So the sugar, once again, absorbs a little slower. So you're mitigating that insulin spike. So really the best way to do it is get your water with some lemon, because lemon also helps increase GLP-1 production. Drink the whole cup of water, all of your lemon, beginning of your meal. Then you consume your proteins, your vegetables, carbohydrates at the end. If you're going to drink pop, drink it like a dessert, because the CO2 is going to bind to all the extra hydrogen in your gut, and that's going to increase the pH, which now means that your digestive enzymes can't work, especially if they need the lower pH like the proteases. So if you're going to drink pop, drink it at the end of the meal like a dessert, and it's pretty much the same price as a dessert anyway. So you're saving yourself some money there. And lastly, if you have vinegar, add a little vinegar to the beginning of your meal, right? So you can drink your water. If you have a salad, put some vinegar on it. That vinegar is also going to help slow down that glucose absorption. I know I keep hitting on glucose. Glucose isn't evil. It's not bad. The hyaluronic acid in our fascious system needs glucose to form, right? Our body will make glucose from our fats and our amino acids to feed our brain so it has energy. Glucose isn't bad. Too much glucose at the right time is detrimental. And that's why these free, simple things you can do, such as consuming your water first, a little vinegar on your salad if you're going to have it, eating foods in a certain order, letting your carbohydrates cool down and become starches, those are all free. Those are things you can easily incorporate into your life to mitigate and mitigate ailments and age slower. There you go.